Welcome back student. In mathematics today I am going to explain exercise 6G. Exercise 6G. Question number 5. Question number 5. I had explained today question number 1 to question number 4. I hope you have done very well in your copy. So it was yesterday's homework, but today I am going to explain question number 5, page number 56. It is given page number 56. Page 56. Question number 5, you can see 5A. 5A. Anil had 64 color pencils. You can take your book, you can open your book, page number 56, and I am reading question, you also see in your book. Then you can understand. Don't only watch in video only. You can see firstly in your book all the questions, and what I am reading, you can also see in your book. Then you can understand the question. So firstly, open your book. 5A. Anil had 64 color pencils. So Anil had color pencils. You can write it. Anil had color pencils. How many color pencils Anil had? 64. 64 color pencils. He lost 35 of them. He lost pencils. How many pencils he lost? 35. And then his mother bought him a box 24 color pencils. After then, his mother bought him a box 24 color pencils. How many color pencils does he have now? How many color pencils does he have now? So 24. Mother bought a box of color pencil. Mother bought a box of color pencil. How many? 24. It means as total, how many color pencils does he have now? How many color pencils does he have now? Means now color pencils Anil has. Now color pencils Anil has. How many color pencils Anil has? See, total number of pencils 64. You write firstly 64. And he lost pencils 35, means minus 35. How many pencils he lost? 35. Lost means you can represent in minus, means with minus symbol. He had total number of pencils 64, means plus 64. How many pencils he lost? Minus 35. What he lost means you can represent as minus 35. And how he gained means how many pencil color his mother bought. How many pencil colors his mother bought? 24. You can add 24. You can add 24. After that you can solve this. Like that question before. After that you can solve this. So firstly, you can see 35 is less than this number. So firstly you can subtract minus 35 as 64. You can solve. So 64 minus 35. You can subtract 35 from 64. So 4 minus 5 cannot go. It will take 1 carry, and it will be 14. 14 minus 5, 9. And here remaining 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Means that out of 64, Now 29 pencils are available with Anil, but his mother also bought 24 more pencils. So again 29 plus 24. You can add 29 plus 24. So you can take as subtraction 64 minus 35. What is here? 29 pencils Anil has. After that, his mother bought 24 color pencils again. It means gain. So 29 plus 24. So you can add this 9, 4, 13, 3, 1 carry, 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. 53 pencils. So it means now color pencils Anil has. So how many color pencils Anil has? How many? 53 pencils. Anil has 53 pencils. So answer, what will answer? Now Anil has 53 pencils. 53 pencils. So in this way you can do this question in your copy. So what is given the statements as you can write in sentence, what you can find out, you can make question mark, how you can solve, you understand the step. After writing step you can understand point to point and you can solve this like that, this process, and you can write in copy. Next question number B. Five B. You can see 5B. A shop sold 350 veggie burgers and 215 non-veg burgers on Sunday. It sold 301 veggie burgers and 259 non-veg burgers on Monday. On which day did it sell more? So you can see veggie burgers and non-veggie burgers. Burgers. How many burgers? Types of burgers? Burgers. One burgers. Veggie burgers. And non-veg burgers. Non-veg burgers. You can see how many veg burgers? 350. Veg burgers 350. And non-veg burgers how many? 215. 215. It sold 301 veg burgers. 301 veg burgers sold. Sold veg burgers 301. And sold non-veg burgers 259. So veg burgers 301 veg burgers. A shop sold on Sunday 301, and non-veg burgers the shop sold 259. 259 on Sunday the shop sold 259 burgers. So you can see on which day did it sell more. on which day did it sell more? So on which day? It is asking question on which day. Day is only given one day as on Sunday. Again you can listen the question. A shop sold 350 veg burgers and 215 non-veg burgers on Sunday. Total burgers you can take, and it sold 301 veg burgers and 259 non-veg burgers on Monday. So Sunday and Monday, two conditions are there, Sunday and Monday. So you can write like this also, burgers on Sunday and Monday. You can write like this, burgers today, Sunday and Monday. You can write like this, the steps. So veg burgers, how many on Sunday? 350. And non-veg burgers, 215. You can take some. And on Monday, 301 veg burgers, 301 on Monday, and non-veg burgers 259. Non-veg burgers 259. So on which day the shop sold more? So you can take some on Sunday, you can take some on Monday. So 5 here, 5 1 6 and 3 2 5. 565 burgers. I was taking veg burgers and non-veg burgers. And on Monday you can take some 9 1 10 0 1 carry. So 5 1 6 and 3 2 5. 560. You can see 565 and here on Monday 560. So you can write answer. Hence on Sunday the shop sold more burgers. So on Sunday the shop sold more burgers, means than that of Monday. On Sunday he sold more because it is 565. It is more than 560. So in this way you can do the question number B. And question number C, you can see question number C, 5C. Question 5C. There are 9,946 people in a town. If 4,457 are men and 3,962 are women, how many children are there? So firstly, you can add men and women. Men, total people in the town. Total people in the town. How many? 9,946. 9,946 people. Men. How many men? 4,457. 4,457. Woman. How many women? Women. 3,962. 3,962. So you can take some men and women. How many men and women? Because asking question, how many children are there? Number of children. Asking question, how many number of children? How many number of children? So firstly, for this how many number of children? You can see total population of the town is 9,946 total people. Men 4,457 and women 3,962. So firstly, you take the addition of men and women. Firstly, you add the number of people, total number of people as men and women. Firstly, you can add and get the total men and women. Means you can say here men plus women. Means men plus women. How many men and women? You can take some 7 to 9, 6, 5, 11, 1 carry, 9, 4, 13 and 1, 14, 4, 1 carry, 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8. So you can see after that you can subtract this men and women from the total people. So number of children, is equal to total population 9,946 minus total number of men and women. Total number of men plus women 8,490. 8,490. You can take this here 9,946 minus 8,490. You can subtract 16 minus 9, 7. Here it will be 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Here 9. 9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 8, 1. So you can see 1,547. Difference between the total people and men and women is 1,527. That is number of children. So for the number of children, you can subtract how many men and women from total people. So you can get 1,527. 1,527 children. 27 total children. This is answer. So in this way you can do question number 5C. I hope you have understood this question. Question number D. Ravi scored 9,735 points in 3 games. In the first game he scored 3,568 and in the second he scored 3,983. What was his score in the third game? So firstly you can add first game what he scored and you can add second game what he scored. After taking addition of the first game scored and second game scored, you can subtract from total points as 9,735. So you can get this. Means Ravi scored total total points how many? 9,735. 9,735. He scored in first game. Ravi scored in first game how many? 3,568. 3,568. Ravi scored in second game. Second game how many? 3,983. 3,983. What was his score in third game? Ravi scored in third game. Ravi scored in third game. Question mark. Means how many points Ravi scored in third game? So firstly, you take addition in the first game and second game. What he scored total? What Ravi scored total points in first game and second game. You can take a sum. 8-3, 11, 1 carry, 8-6, 14 and 1, 15, 1 carry, 9-4, 14 and 1, 15, 1 carry, 3-3-6 and 1, 7. So in this way, 7,551 as first game and second game. He scored in first game plus second game. How many? 7,551. In third game, so for third game, you can see from the total point what he scored 9,735 minus this one first and second game 7,551 you can subtract. So it means he scored in third game. He scored in third game. What he scored? See, 5 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 5 cannot go, cannot subtracted. It will take below from 7. It will be 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Here it will be 6. 6 minus 5, 1. And 9 minus 7, 2. 2,184 points. So he scored 2,184. So in third game, he scored 2,884 points. So in this way, you can solve the question. So I hope you will finish this question 5 in your copy today only. Okay, thank you.